Whew! Who knew a bag of candy could double as a workout? The Wonka company really outdid itself this week. Okay. Candy testing. Mission number 47. Commencing. Taste, test, and hopefully avoid turning into a circus statue. My job? Simple. Eat candy, take notes, repeat. Sample number 1. Hershey chocolate bar. Well, definitely it does taste like Hershey bar, but it's one Wonka brand. So, definitely Wonka brand and Hershey bar taste the same. Definitely. So, yes. They say dream jobs don't exist. Well, they do. Mine just happens to come with unlimited sprinkles. You know what I mean? Sprinkles. And this is a cookie cream. Too bad Wonka make me try out, even though it's Hershey bars. Observation: too many sweets, instant energy. Conclusion: future sugar crush equals guarantee. Balancing school and candy testing is wild. 1 minute I'm doing math homework, the next I'm grading gummy worms. Oh, my classmates again. They say the whole room smells like caramel clouds whenever I walked in. Okay, one more sample before I call it a day. Sample number 41. Chocolate bar with crunch balls inside. Tastes very crunchy, but they're irresistibly good, and it seems fun when they get crunchy. Okay, note to self, buy more water. Whoa! Guess I tested a bit too much candies again. Not bit, but I would say too many if you can see how many candies I've been eating. Note to self, next time, paste your taste tests. Time for me to write down as a log. Lesson learned. Moderation equals stability. Too much candy equals instant blueberry mode. Hydration level, critical. Sweetness level, maximum. On the bright side, I made a pretty good mascot. What? Another test and called in sick? Andy, want me to cover their samples too? Guess it's time to roll out, literally, for science. If anyone asks, this is just a new safety uniform. Very fast and forward, very bouncy. Oh, and remember friends, dream jobs are sweet, but moderation keeps the magic alive. See you next circle rest. Oh. Okay, time to deliver the candy report and then maybe squeeze myself just for a quick. Uh-oh. I might need a bigger doorway next time. Come on, science experiment body. Don't fail me now! Oh. Okay, definitely need to cut back on the fizzy lifting sweets. Now I can move on to... Okay, last note for the report. Candy tasting is fun until you became part of the experiment. Yep, definitely time to cut in the fizzy lifting drinks and taffy pulling sweets. And also fizzy lifting sweets too. Berry Violet signing off. Stay sweet, everyone.